Welcome to Programming Minds. In this video, we are going to start new playlist which is Standard Template Library. Okay, so let's get started. Standard Template Library (STL) is a set of C++ template classes to provide common programming data structures and functions like list, stack, and array. It is a library of container classes, data structures, algorithms, and iterators. So in this playlist, we are going to learn vector, list, dequeue, arrays, forward list, queue, priority queue, stack, set, multiset, map, multimap, unordered set, unordered multiset, and unordered map. So these are the containers we are going to learn in this playlist. Okay. So I will be creating different videos for the different containers. So let's understand what is iterators now. Iterators are used for working upon a sequence of values. It is major feature that allows generality in the STL. So to traverse through the different containers, we use iterators. So this is the only introductory part of standard template libraries playlist. And standard template libraries are widely used in when we are using C++ programming in any software development field. So I would suggest you to watch the whole series and practice it, so it will be better. Thank you.